everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya back with another video for you. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create a summer pamphlet in PIXLR, in which I'm going to put some photos of mango, ice cream and many more fruits, and it'll look really beautiful. So let us start by creating a new one. So first of all, we're going to change the background to any other color that you want. So I'm going to take yellow. You can take any other color according to your choice, and I'm just gonna rotate this, and now let me just add a new layer as image. So you can add any image that you want in your pamphlet. So I'm gonna add a mango. Then let me just untick this for a while, and now we can use the lasso select tool so that we can remove this background. So now we've just cut it out, and I have also used the blur, sharpen and smudge tool to just blur the boundary of it, so it doesn't look that we just cut it and now we're gonna paste it in that. So now let us stick this, and we're gonna resize this mango and place it over here. Now we're gonna add one more layer as image, and this time we can grab an ice cream. And similarly, we're going to cut out the boundary using the lasso select tool. And now we have cut our ice cream using the lasso select tool. So let us just give it a place, maybe a tilted form like this. And then we can duplicate the same layer and rotate it in this way. And we can even add one more layer as text, and in this we can just maybe first of all change the font to change the color to black, and then we'll get the text. Maybe we can write, let the summer begin, and first of all we can change the size of it. Maybe this much will be okay, and we can grab it here, and now we can change the font type. From here you can choose any kind that you want. So I think this one is nice, but I think this one will go. So we can take this, and if you want to change the color from here, you can change. You also have some styles of the background, outline, shadow. You can even add new, duplicate this, delete it, or increase the line spacing, letter spacing, bolded, uppercase, center alignment, and many more things. Now I'm gonna again add an image as a layer. This time let me take a watermelon picture, and now we're gonna cut this out also with the lasso select tool. So now we'll just start selecting this and then cut this out. And now even our watermelon is ready, so we can place it maybe like this here, and let me just take the ice cream a bit that side, and then we can do Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, and now we can go and duplicate this layer, grab it, and let me just rotate it in this way, so it looks kind of like this, and not making the mango hidden also, and not even the ice cream. And finally then we can add the last image as a layer that can be maybe of a sun. Now we can do Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and we can go on select and deselect all, and let me just delete this layer. And now we can place the sun here. So isn't it nice? And let me just save this, and you can download it. So I hope you like this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.